whole idea of the company was to make the best audio products in the world. And we've always followed that. I started JPS Labs in the early 90s. At this point in time, my sons are older, they work with the company, so we have mainly a family-oriented company. And bottom line is that we're all passionate about audio. Within our small company, we are able to optimize every facet of the audio playback chain, from the source to your ears. And that honestly has been a goal for a very long time.
Every part of the build's important, even down to something as simple as a fastener. If there's ever a part that doesn't meet our standards, we make it ourselves.
The reason we do what we do isn't because we were trying to do something that the others weren't. It was simply because we were trying to make the best headphone possible.
It took us nearly 5 years for the first headphone product, the AB1266, to become a finished product. The goal of any of our products was to give the customer something that they wouldn't feel they'd ever have to replace. And it was a huge challenge because the materials didn't exist. So much so that we had to create our own material just for the diaphragm. For example, on the Diana slider, there's no springs, there's no pins, there's nothing to break there. It's permanent magnet, smoothly riding above and on other permanent magnets. And it'll last forever.
There are no compromises. We design our products to last a lifetime.